we're going to finish up our musculoskeletal course by talking about fractures and some of the common issues you see with these patients. So first, we want to be clear about the difference between a strain, a sprain, and a fracture. A strain is an overstretched muscle, while a sprain is an overstretched ligament. That's really the only difference between the two. Neither one involves any damage to the bone. Now, for strains and sprains, we simply use the RICE method. RICE stands for rest, ice, compression, and elevation. So we want them to rest. We want them to put their leg up if it's their foot. We want to wrap it with an ACE bandage and put ice on it, and that will take care of that. That will heal that over a few days. As far as a fracture, that happens when enough force is applied to the bone to actually crack it or break it.